Do you find it difficult to lose those extra pounds? Have you tried changing diet plans, exercising, and participating in cardio workouts, but failed to see results? The same is true for low adipose tissue levels, especially brown adipose tissue, fat. The same is also the fat-shrinking mitochondria that help get a quick energy boost. The same effectiveness can be judged because the BAT cells can burn fat at 300 times the regular cells, while several weight loss supplements aid in weight management yet pose a negative impact on the body. On the other hand, Exipure is a promising weight loss formula that offers the best results using the 8 natural elements. Since the supplement is available through the official site only, it is hard to find a detailed review. But can this formulation help you to lose weight? This extensive review helps you know about the supplement and its impact on the body. While several weight loss supplements aid in weight management yet pose a negative impact on the body. On the other hand, Exipure is a promising weight loss formula that offers the best results using the 8 natural elements. Since the supplement is available through the official site only, it is hard to find a detailed review. But can this formulation help you to lose weight? This extensive review helps you know about the supplement and its impact on the body. What is an Exipure supplement? Exipure is a tropical weight loss formula that works separately from other supplements available on the market. It is composed entirely of natural elements as per the formation composed by Jack Barrett, Dr. Wilkins, and Dr. Liam that augments its nutritional value. Their research also asserted that a major difference between overweight and thin people was their rate of burning fat quickly. The product also has exotic ingredients that act against the root cause of belly fat gain. Thus, you start to lose weight quickly, especially when you hit a plateau. It also helps to act against the primary causes of weight gain. Exipure supplement helps boost the production of brown fat cells instead of white fat. This brown adipose tissue burns calories more efficiently than regular fat cells, and that too quickly. What is BAT, and why is it so important? The core idea behind the Exipure supplement is to boost your body's brown adipose tissue levels. Thus, BAT is an adipose tissue that gets activated when cold. It releases heat to optimize the body at low temperatures. It is responsible for burning calories and increasing body temperature. These can also be thought of as engines inside the fat cells. The research asserts that brown fat burns calories more efficiently than regular. Thus, it is easy to lose weight, especially for those who have hit a saturation level of weight loss. Major ingredients of Exipure supplement. Exipure addictive ingredients, real or myth? Exipure supplements work on the BAT levels of the body and combine 8 natural ingredients and nutrients to deliver excellent outcomes. These are clinically proven to raise calorie burning mechanisms. Apart from this, these ingredients also help to strengthen the body, improve brain health, reduce the aging process, and counter stress. The pill also contains ingredients like ginseng, quercetin, etc., that have proven results for weight loss. The less common ingredients like a more cork bark raise BAT levels naturally. Perilla is derived from the Asiatic crop variety called Perilla frutescens. It is important to boost your BAT levels, support brain functioning, and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. It also helps to reduce nausea and muscular spasms. Oleuropein is polyphenol rich in olive oil. It also helps to boost BAT levels in the body. It has also been known to be the best natural and heart-friendly compound with benefits like anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, and anti-ulcer properties. The same is also known to support healthy cholesterol levels and promote artery health. Holy basil belongs to the same genus as the regular one, but it is derived from Ocimum sanctum. It is used in Exapure to boost body mass and promote BAT levels. It also aids in promoting brain power. It is also effective against infections, easing joint pain, and handling blood sugar. It also helps to reduce cholesterol and protect your body. White Korean ginseng. It is also called Panax ginseng. It helps to boost BAT levels and support healthy immune system functioning. It also reduces oxidative stress and achieves anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to improve issues associated with erectile dysfunction, stress, and anxiety. Propolis also boosts fat levels and supports blood sugar and blood pressure like holy basil. This ingredient helps the body through its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties to keep fit and ward off diseases. The same is also anti-cancer and anti-ulcer. Propolis has 300+ ingredients that boost antioxidant levels. As a result, it helps you scavenge free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and achieve healthy aging. Amur cork barket is an ingredient known scientifically as Philodendron amurense and derived from the Amur cork tree. Apart from improving fat levels in the body, it also helps to support a healthy liver and heart health. It promotes digestion, treats osteoarthritis and obesity. It is also proven to reduce stress, acne, and bloating. It is also a chemopreventive agent for lung patients and safeguards cartilage against arthritis. It is proven to control the growth of prostate tumors. Berberine is an effective anti-inflammatory ingredient that doubles as an antioxidant. It also has an active compound that supports digestive health to accelerate metabolic processes. The nutrient also enhances the natural ability of detoxification. When used in combination with quercetin, it is easy to burn fats. Quercetin is a common antioxidant that is used in nutritional supplements. In Exipure, the same helps boost fat levels, rejuvenate aging cells, and even support healthy blood pressure. It is also known for its anti-aging effects. Benefits of Exipure supplement. One of the major advantages of choosing Exipure is that it helps to promote weight loss. Unlike other over-the-counter medications and weight loss supplements that contain synthetic ingredients, the product is an all-natural formulation to aid users in their weight loss journey in the following manner. Exipure supplement targets to manage the fat levels that are the root cause of the problem. It helps burn calories and body fat quickly and thus fuels up the metabolic processes. It also accelerates the digestive system to gain healthy weight loss. Since the ingredients of this supplement are also rich in antioxidative properties, it helps cleanse the body and control free radicals and oxidative stress. Unlike other supplements that offer temporary relief, the product gives permanent results in weight management. Subsequently, it helps the body to burn more fat naturally and makes you feel energetic throughout the day. You can start working out and attain a better weight loss plan without getting tired. The supplement is also known to support healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and oxygen levels. It also helps to put a bar on food cravings and control appetite. The supplement also helps to maintain the smooth functioning of the brain, heart, and liver. It boosts your body to work optimally on low calories. How does Exipure supplement work? The primary manner in which the product works is by increasing the fat levels of the human body. It increases the ability of the body to burn calories and lose fat. It also helps to promote the body's natural energy levels. The official website is the only product with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants. It is designed to target low fat levels, the root cause of unexplained weight gain. Scientific research. Often dietary supplements and nutritional formulas have to conduct peer-reviewed research and clinical analysis to ascertain the claims made by the formula. However, the Exipure supplement is yet to pass the above test. Yet manufacturers rely on existing studies and traditional medicine to support their claims. For instance, researchers discovered through studies conducted in 2004 that fat can lead to the combustion of lipids and sugars within mitochondria. They also discovered the same effectiveness in generating energy through the fat-burning mechanism. Science also supports that the best way to maintain or lose weight is by losing more calories than you consume. By choosing a diet plan that helps you burn calories above your consumption pattern, you can easily lose fat and attain a calorie deficit. Usually, people resort to dieting and exercising to lose weight. However, fat helps cut down this need as it burns calories naturally. Thus, manufacturers of the Exipure supplement are fairly convinced about combining holy basil with Korean ginseng to augment weight loss and obesity. However, the same must be supplemented by regular dieting and exercising. Customer testimonials and Exipure supplement reviews. According to the Exipure official website, the users of the weight loss formula can lose a lot of fat and weight. To corroborate this, the user reviews on the site state that a regular user of the product said that she had lost 35 pounds to feel that she was in the best shape of her life. Her stress levels were also reduced, and she is less anxious than before. Her energy levels are also at their peak. Cassie, a regular user of the product, states that she lost 40 pounds quickly and continues to lose more. Another user, Zach, agrees that after taking the supplement, he felt fitter in his 40s than in his 30s. He has shed unnecessary fat by losing more than 26 pounds. Since the reviews are convincing, and the brand claims that it is a 5-second exotic hack to melt 59 pounds of fat. How is the Exipure supplement sold? It is highly recommended to purchase bulk packages of Exipure supplements to achieve lasting results. The product is only sold through the official website, and it is best to choose a bulk package as it has a lower cost per bottle. Each bottle has 30 pills to last for a month. Buying the Exipure supplement pills in bulk is a great idea, and it brings home huge savings and benefits. Exipure supplement price: 1 bottle $59 for 1 month supply plus $9.95 shipping costs. 3 bottles $147 for 3 months supply plus $9.95 shipping costs, and 2 bonuses. 6 bottles $234 per pouch for 6 months supply plus no shipping costs, and 2 bonuses. It is important to note that the supply of Exipure supplement pills is limited, and such interesting offers and discounts are available through their official website only. The Exipure supplement offers a satisfaction guarantee with a no questions asked return and incredible money-back guarantee. You can look into the official website to place bulk Exipure supplement orders at affordable prices. What other bonuses are available with Exipure supplements? According to the official website, bonus offers with the supplements are available in 3 to 6 bottle packs. 1-day Kickstart Detox Ebook. 1-day Kickstart Detox Ebook guides you through the complete process and helps you understand the cleansing and detox process. It helps to flush out unhealthy elements that cause a negative impact on the body. It augments your overall health and wellness goals. Easy-to-make tea recipes allow you to kickstart your weight loss journey on a high note. It gives you an extra boost with your existing dietary intake. Renew your ebook. It is another ebook that guides you through stressful situations. The same includes time-tested and self-motivation techniques that keep you vigilant about inner turmoil and restore peace. It also helps to boost your confidence against body shaming and obesity. These tips and tricks are extremely useful for reducing stress and anxiety. Apart from this, Exipure supplement bulk buyers have access to other products like discounted bottles of the pills and a special wellness box. The following products are recommended after ordering Exipure supplement: 9 bottles of Exipure supplement at a discounted price and free shipping. Exipure wellness box worth $6.20. What is the Exipure wellness box? Exipure's wellness box is a special offering for its esteemed customers. It has 5 special supplements to boost your immunity and attain better sleep. If you had a great experience with Exipure supplements, then this is the chance to try other offerings from the brand like Mct Oil Pure. This packing consists of a special 2,000 milligrams of medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, per serving. This supplement is designed to boost your energy levels and endurance. The brand makers claim that the product augments your weight loss. Much scientific research and analysis have found that MCT oil enhances energy levels, lowers blood cholesterol levels, and aids memory function. It also can handle food cravings by releasing leptin. The hormone triggers appetite and makes the weight loss journey a tough call. Balance Probiotics. The Balance Probiotic is a supplement that works with your body to improve gut health and general well-being. The same has 20 billion colony-forming bacterial units that restore a healthy gut ecosystem. As per scientific research, healthy gut flora can help improve your overall health and wellness. The same also prevents harmful bacteria from entering the digestive system and flushes it to attain a healthy digestive tract. You can attain maximum benefits of Exipure supplement by combining it with a Balance Probiotic dietary formula. Immune boost. A strong immune system leads to a healthy and stress-free lifestyle. Exipure makers have designed the supplement to keep your immune system in prime condition. Each serving has a 1,200 milligrams herbal formulation that boosts the immune system's functioning. It is a completely natural and antioxidative formula with echinacea and 8 other prime ingredients. Deep Sleep 20. Deep Sleep 20 is a special offering from the brand for those who find it tough to fall asleep. Also, such erratic sleep patterns can be the prime cause of health issues. By taking the Deep Sleep 20 supplements, you relax and enjoy complete sleep. The main ingredients are ashwagandha, chamomile, goji berries, melatonin, passion flower, etc. Experts recommend using this supplement 30 minutes before going to bed. Ultra Collagen Complex. Exapure Wellness Box also has an extensive collagen complex formulation. It includes hydrolyzed collagen peptides in powder form. This formula helps to reduce and rebuild lost collagen in the skin. It further helps to mend the damaged connective skin tissue that causes signs of aging. The supplement also can rejuvenate and improve the health of teeth, nails, hair, and skin. As claimed by the manufacturer, the supplement aids in achieving a weight loss of 3 pounds per week apart from the actual weight loss triggered by the Exipure supplement. Does the Exipure supplement come with a refund policy? Exipure supplements come with a guaranteed 180-day money-back promise like credible and reliable investment options. It means that if you are dissatisfied with the results of the product, then you will not lose a significant investment. What's more, you can seek a full refund by contacting the customer service representatives.